are pleased to show you the 2015 Ford Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preference of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, power windows, CD player, MP3 player, power door locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.